Climate. The climatic conditions of any place are decided by its location and the physical landscape, and India is no exception. The climatic conditions all over the country are quite diverse. Factors affecting the climate. Differences in atmospheric conditions can be observed from place to place and from time to time. The factors that have greatly modified the Indian climate as a whole are the latitudinal extent of the country between 8° north and 37° north positions, it both in the torrid and temperate climate zones. The Tropic of Cancer that divides the country into almost two equal halves marks the boundary between the two climatic zones. The northern mountains also modify the climate of India. They form a climatic divide and protect India from the cold winds blowing southwardly from the Siberian lands of the Arctic Circle region. The Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal have a moderating influence on the climate of India, especially the coastal region. These large storehouses of water also provide moisture to the onshore winds and thus are a great source of rainfall to the country. The seasonal monsoon winds that blow over India, especially the summer monsoons, are a source of the much required rainfall all over the country. The storms called Western disturbances originating in the Mediterranean region and the upper air circulations called jet streams also influence the Indian climate. Other physical features like the Aravalli Hills, the Deccan Plateau, and the Western Ghats have their impact on the Indian climate too. Characteristics of Indian climate. The climate of India is dominated by the monsoon winds, and hence the climate is said to be monsoon or tropical monsoon type of climate. As discussed earlier, several factors modify the climate of India, which has some contrasting characteristics. Temperature contrast. The areas to the north of the Tropic of Cancer have the continental type of climate. The range of temperature is quite high. However, southern India is dominated by the maritime influence of water bodies, hence the range of temperature is low. The summer temperature in the dry arid region of Rajasthan may shoot up as high as 55 degrees Celsius, whereas in the northern mountain region, there are areas which are snow-covered and record low temperatures falling to -40 degrees Celsius during the winter season. Precipitation, rainfall contrast. Precipitation is mostly in the form of rainfall all over India, but some high-altitude areas, especially in the North Mountain region, experience precipitation in the form of snowfall, especially during winters. Not only form of precipitation, but also the amount of rainfall varies significantly. Mawsynram in northeast India in the state of Meghalaya gets a high annual rainfall of about 1,187 centimeters. On the other hand, Rajasthan or the Thar Desert gets annual rainfall of about less than 25 centimeters.